Kirsty Vicky, welcome back to the Leo Nails channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful snowflake design that's easy to create. I know I'm saying that, but honest, people say, well, you're saying that, so you say it's easy. But I think it's easy. I think it's a salon viable design. So let's get started. So on the tip, I'm going to buff that. So if this was a natural nail, you would be doing the same thing. So we're removing the shine, which allows the products to really adhere well to the actual nail. Now we want the base coat. And I normally miss this out, but I know that I want you to follow the correct way to do it. I normally miss it out because we're doing it on a tip, but I'm going to show you. I don't want you to just think that you don't need to do this on a natural nail. And even if you do it on, you can put it on an acrylic nail. You don't have to if it's quite abrased, but you can do to reassure the adherence.
Adhesion.
Adherence is definitely not what I meant. Adhesion. So we're going to pop that in the lamp, give that a cure. I'm going to use this colour. Adam, I've got no idea what colour it is. It's not even got a sticker on the bottom.
Oh no, we've lost the sticker. What colour is it?
It's blue.
Blue Bayou. That's what I'm calling it.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
What we'll do is we'll just list all the blues below. Or ones we think are very similar for you.
I was going to say Emma's just like cursing you right now.
I can't help it if there's no sticker. We've had a little look and we do think it's summer sky. So that's one coat, and I want to check that. Is it transparent at all? No, we've got no transparency at all. And because I want to reduce thickness down, I'm not going to put another layer on. I'm absolutely, completely happy with that. So now what we're going to use is, not use these for AEGs, but oh my god, love them. Don't know which one of those to use, to be honest, because they're just... So we have these two. Which one should I use? We're going to use them. So these are like little triangles. They're slightly raised. So we're going to use these as our snowflakes, and we're going to make a little snowflake with them. What we need to do first of all is we need a product on here that the those little triangles will actually adhere to. So we're going to use base coat. I'm going to get rid of that little fuzzy.
Towards you a little bit.
I'm going to put the base coat down. So this is kind of like our glue. I'm going to start by working out exactly where I'm going to put them. Kind of planning it out. So once I've got those three there, I'm going to make a diamond shape with those three that I have, and this is going to help me. It's going to help to plan everything out.
You've got to have a very steady hand for this.
You've got to have a steady hand, but the tweezers really help. The little tweezers got a massive help. So what I'm looking for now is I want the same gap here in here. So want them kind of roughly the same, and then we can add more. I'm going to repeat this around. To be honest with you, you could just do the centre and then work out from the centre if you find that easier. So before we cure, you need to check that you're happy with the positioning and out of everything. And once you're happy, we can pop that in the lamp. Now we're going to take the base coat and we're going to seal with the base coat. This is going to make sure we have no separation between the top coat and the base coat. Now I'm going to use Jewel Box from the Cosmic collection. Now this is a top coat, so it'll have no shining on it whatsoever. But all I want to do is, I don't want to do like I don't want to go over the whole thing. All I'm going to do is just going to add a little bit of sparkle here.
Just blocking up with your hand.
And a little bit here. And I kind of want to just smudge it up a bit, just so it's like a little sprinkling, and smudge it down. A little sprinkling of gorgeousness. But I don't want to go near the snowflake.
Did you say that was a top coat?
Yep, it's a top coat.
Because you said it's a top coat, so it'll have no shine.
No sticky layer.
Oh, no, you said shine.
Did I?
Yeah.
Did I really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I was like, what the hell? What are you on
No,
about?
it's a top coat, so it'll have no sticky layer. Oh my god, a bit weird. But I want to smooth this out now, because obviously we've got different layers going on. So I'm going to base coat again, and I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, how many layers of base coat? We are encapsulating with jar polish here as well. So don't forget about that, because we will make those little diamond shapes smoother with the base coat. So we've got a nice layer of that, cure that, and then we're not finished. There's more. We're going to use the Urban Graffiti Snow White, and we're going to use the 001 brush. And what we're going to do is we're going to create the elements to this snowflake. I'll secure that, and we're going to repeat that around. We're doing them quite simple, they're not super detailed, they're little teardrop shapes. What do you normally do, Adam? For Christmas dinner at home, what do you do, Mum?
We either go to my mum's or Haley's mum's. I can't remember whose it is this year. I think it's my mum's, but obviously not. Well, I don't know. See what happens.
We're coming here. We're coming here. Yeah.
You're cooking.
Me and Mum cooking. We're getting it all from Marks and Spencer stock already prepared. It's prepared. It's going straight in the
Kate
oven.
seems to think you having it made up for you. Like, is he ordering it in or something? I was like,
No, it's
what?
just.
It's
No.
like, no, they're ordering it in. I was like, well, that's a bit mean on the people that have to work Christmas now.
Well,
But do you know what?
plenty
If you
of people
can
who
get that.
There is. There's plenty of people who do it.
No, I didn't know that you could do that.
No? He just got it in his head, but I can't remember what he said, but I was like, well, your sister won't be cooking it, it'll probably be your mum. And he's like, they're ordering it in.
I'm going to do some little tiny dots of little snow falling. Snow was falling all around.
Do you know what I actually quite like about not really going shopping very much now? It's not hearing all those songs. And no pubs to hear Christmas songs in.
Yeah, that's all you hear.
That's just fabulous. Lockdown forever.
Don't say that, Adam. Do not wish that upon us.
Yeah, I'm just not a Christmassy person. I think, do you know what happened was the restaurants. You know, I grew up in restaurants and ran restaurants, and Christmas just absolutely destroys you working in that environment.
I refuse to go anywhere on Christmas Day that's open. Like for Christmas dinner, I'd always, if no one would cook Christmas dinner, I'd cook it before I went out. So I'm like, I refuse to work Christmas Day.
Yeah.
So I'm going to top coat these now. That will seal in all the gel polish. It's also going to add an extra seal and kind of encapsulate the little diamond shapes we've done for the snowflake. Pop that in. There we are. It's pretty.
Does that make you want to put your Christmas tree up now?
I'm definitely putting that Christmas tree up.
Really?
Honest, I want to put it up. I just
Oh.
listen. A lot of effort has gone into my Christmas tree. I know it's early, and everybody keeps saying, "Oh, it's so early. Please don't." It's just such a wonderful Christmas tree, and I've spent a lot of money collecting all the things for it.
Yeah.
that I've got to get my money's worth out of it. So there you are, a little snowflake for you there. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I bet it does, pardon me.
It just it ruins it for you.
Me.